Hello class, today we're going to learn how to work with Google Docs and save them in different formats. The first thing you need to do is log into your Gmail and find the message I sent to you entitled Dog Riddle. So here we have it. Click on that and then open up the document. I shared this with you so that you can view it. So to make this a document that you can edit, you need to click up here on File and then Make a Copy. And you'll have to do this with a lot of documents that we use this year. So click on Make a Copy. Give it the title you want. You can save it in the folder you want. When you're done, go ahead and hit OK. Now you have a copy of the riddle. Change the name with your name, Dog Riddle. And then you can now edit the document. Come down here and type in your answer, what you think the answer to the riddle is. The next thing to do is come up here to File. Now if you just leave it as it is, it'll be saved on your Google Drive, and you can edit where that is by clicking on this folder. Or if you want to download to computer, click on File and scroll down to Download As, and you'll notice there's several documents that you can save this, or formats that you can save this in. There you have the Microsoft Word, Open Document Format, Rich Text Format, PDF Format, Plain Text, Web Page, and ePublication Format. The three main ones I'll work with in this class is first the Google Doc that you already have saved, Microsoft Word, or PDF format. Microsoft Word still allows you to edit the document. PDF creates what we call a hard copy of it, so you cannot edit or change it at this point, which is a useful format to send in, especially when you're sending like a letter or sending a resume to a job. This is often the preferred format. It's also universal, so anybody can open this on any computer and it'll look exactly the same, no matter the computer or whatever program they have. Sometimes Microsoft Word can change the formatting from computer to computer depending on the versions of the program that they have or what kind of computer they're using. So this is a very universal format. So we're going to click on that. And it'll take a second and our download should start. There's our download. If you click on this arrow here, and forgive me, it's all in Spanish again. Right here says Show in Folder. You're going to click on Show in Folder. And the default is to save it to your Downloads folder. And you can see that here as Downloads. And here's our PDF document. From here you can drag it to any folder that you want and save it somewhere, like in our Documents. Let's go ahead and do that. So now if we click on our Documents folder, we can find our Dog Riddle right there. And that's how to save Google Docs or download them into different formats. Thank you.